S.W.A.T is the Specialized Workshops and Actor Tactics, which, in more concise terms, is a collaboration between the Halp network and a local group of voice actors who work together to bring a script to life for developers. It could be games, it could be animation, it could be live action, anything that could benefit from the live interaction of actors to bring their script to life. That's what we do.
So what happens with a S.W.A.T reading is that the client will provide scripts in whatever shape they have them in, ideally post first draft, but before a recording stage. And the call will go out to the company of S.W.A.T actors, who will all respond just kind of on a first response basis. And then we schedule the reading and everyone gets together and reads kind of as an ensemble crew.
First thing is, S.W.A.T is collaborative. It is a roster of 50 actors who are working with one another to have the ability to get in a room at a table read and play off of one another is nothing but exciting for not only the actors, but for the writers and the developers and the clients who are in the room as well. S.W.A.T is confidential. It's really important that the clients realize that the actors really value the non-disclosure agreements that they sign and the relationships that they build with the clients. The intention here is that for both parties to get together and collaborate and work together to actually build a product that they can both be proud of.
There's no catch. There's no gotcha. This is not like it's free except, like this is a totally free service that we offer because we love the process. We love to work with people. If it's something that sounds interesting, please reach out. We're here to do this. We want to do this.
If you're a writer, director, or producer, reach out to us. We're excited to collaborate with you.